Each year around the world, it is estimated that zoonosis, the diseases which are shared between people and animals, they cause something like 2.5 billion cases of sickness and 2.7 million deaths. As the currently underway COVID-19 pandemic demonstrates to us, rapid spread of these novel pathogens can have significant impact on the global economy. Preparedness for and mitigation of such events require a One Health approach. This is now well established. Time and again, it has been reminded to us by the emerging and the re-emerging infectious diseases, and with biosafety protocols, threat characterization, and rapid response capabilities nested within an overall doctrine of health that is underpinned by wide-ranging and in-depth biomedical research capabilities. Pleased to announce the constitution of a high-level steering committee for eco-health initiatives in India. This committee will have its secretariat hosted at the ICMR headquarters in New Delhi, and will also be supported by the upcoming National Institute of One Health, which is coming up in Nagpur, and this is is going to be one of our very premier institutions, one of the ambitious projects supported and guided by our own Prime Minister. Also, a mention about this was made even in the Union budget, and this is one of the important components of the ambitious schemes around which the future health delivery systems in this country, whether for treating or whether for doing research or whether for diagnostics or whether for strengthening testing capabilities, and then for all those factors which have to be factored in now related to the transfer of or the travel of virus from the animal kingdom to the human being. So this National Institute of One Health, it has to play a very major role